Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a field located in west central Indiana, where a brand new for model year 2024 555 engine horsepower New Holland T9.615 SmartTrax tractor is preparing the seedbed for corn planting with a 46-foot wide Case IH 200 Tigermate field cultivator. In this presentation, I would like to share with you the tractor's production history, specifications, and price tag, as well as taking viewers for a ride in the cab of the tractor to visit with a farmer. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear this big tillage team at work. New Holland introduced its third generation of SmartTrax for its T9 articulated tractors at the 2024 National Farm Machinery Show located in Louisville, Kentucky. This system is available for 5 different T9s ranging from 475 to 645 engine horsepower in either 30-inch or 36-inch wide belts. The company announced its first generation of SmartTrax for its T9 series of articulated tractors in May of 2012. They were originally available for the model T9.615 and T9.670. These tracks are referred to as the high idler models, and they allow for additional traction in the field as well as improved flotation. New Holland introduced SmartTrax 2 in June of 2018. These tracks have a much more rounded appearance and provide superior ground contact while improving the track life for field-to-field transport. Tractor speed and maneuverability are the biggest improvements on the new T9 SmartTrax tractors. The inclusion of advanced oscillating roller wheels and vibration dampening mount suspensions in the track system contribute to an elevated ride quality and prevent uneven wear during transportation. To ensure the ease of daily maintenance, ClearTrack system hubcaps have been integrated, providing straightforward access to critical components. The new track system for the T9 tractor also streamlines maintenance and optimizes tension by eliminating manual adjustments with its automatic track tension system. In addition to the improved track system, another feature incorporated into the T9 SmartTrax tractor is swinging cab entry steps. These automatically pivot as the tractor is articulated, keeping the ladder from extending beyond the tracks and allowing for easy entry and exit from the cab. The T9.615 SmartTrax tractor is powered by a 12.9-liter, 787 cubic inch FPT Cursor 13 2-stage turbocharged engine. Rated at 555 engine horsepower, the tractor can achieve up to 614 horsepower when it encounters tough field conditions and offers 537 PTO horsepower. A new improvement on the tractor is an increased diesel fuel tank, which holds 455 gallons, and it's equipped with a 66-gallon diesel emission fluid tank for clean engine solutions. One of the new features on the T9.615 is the ability to travel up to 25 miles per hour with the track system. The tractor comes standard with the New Holland Ultra Command Power Shift transmission with 16 forward and 2 reverse speeds. Customers can also order the tractor with New Holland's Auto Command Continuous Variable transmission, which allows the tractor to travel in infinite speeds up to that top speed of 25 miles per hour for the additional cost of $54,276. When the T9.615 SmartTrax tractor rolls off the assembly line in Fargo, North Dakota, it weighs in at 46,340 pounds, and it can be fully field weighted up to 60,000 pounds. The dealer price tag for this tractor was $710,000. I'm up in the cab of the New Holland T9.615 SmartTrax tractor. Very nice wide open cab, great visibility. We can see the view out the front window. And one of the questions people always have is that large muffler that's right there outside on the ground. It does look big, but from the farmer's perspective, you have great visibility in the cab, and that is completely masked behind that corner post. You've got all your controls, everything over here on the right hand side on the console. Keeps everything clean. Then you can see here we're running at 9 miles per hour at 2100 RPM, so you got everything right up there on the dash. Good bank of air conditioners, and then great visibility outside the cab of the field cultivator working. And then you also have a two-stage mirror, so you can see your tracks as well as the implement in the back. So the T9's a really nice smooth riding tractor here on the tracks. How have you liked it so far?
It's got a little bit smoother ride than those quad tracks. I don't know whether it's in the cab suspension or what it is for sure, but it's a little smoother ride.
So this is your first T9 on tracks. You've had one on wheels for a while, and what made the farm choose the T9 this time around on the track system?
Well, we had those other two road tracks, and we decided to try a blue one. So it took forever to get it though. That was the thing.
Yeah, this is I think the third one built so far with the new track system.
Second or third, yeah. And but it's been ordered for, I forget how long, a year or better, year and a half, something like that. Yeah.
Well, it's great to get a chance to see a brand new one out in the field right after the introduction in Louisville.
100 hours.
Oh, perfect. First 100 hours on the new tractor. So, doing a great job out here. So you're, what size implement are you running?
44 foot.
And what kind of acreage an hour are you able to cover when you're running that?
Right there.
Yep, doing
45, 1.8 acres an hour.
Well, that'll definitely stay ahead of the corn planter. It's always good on a sunny day to get all the ground you can cover.
Yep.
As we approach the headland, we can see the tractor turn around. It's using New Holland's PLM guidance system. It's a nice tight turning tractor, and with the push of a button, it goes right back on the guidance for that next 44-foot pass. You can see the field cultivator there. So you're able to control all your speed and everything right there on the command arm?
Yeah. The hand throttle's right here. And the gear shift here, direction. And that's auto steer button. So yeah, everything that you need is pretty handy, really.
Right down to the radio controls as well.
Yep. And the air conditioner controls on there too.
Well, I appreciate the ride along. It's a great looking tractor in the field, and definitely a nice way to spend the day here behind the wheel.
Yeah, I've spent it behind a lot of other wheels. It's not this nice. Eating dust and everything else.
I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this New Holland T9.615 SmartTrax tractor. I would like to hear in the comment section below the video if you use New Holland tractors on your farm. Tell me about the model that you're running and the implements that it operates. If you've appreciated this presentation, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.